Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to destination for honest beauty insights. If you're someone who loves multifunctional beauty products, I have something exciting to share today. We're talking about the Stila Smudge Pot in Cranberry, a unique gel eyeliner and eyeshadow that's designed to deliver the best of both worlds. It's not every day you come across a product that promises to be both bold and versatile, so let's see if it truly delivers. The Stila Smudge Pot in Cranberry combines the boldness of a gel eyeliner with the softness of an eyeshadow, creating a multitasker that aims to simplify your makeup routine. This gel formula is available in a stunning cranberry shade that gives a rich matte finish. It's marketed as an alternative to traditional powder and liquid formulas, offering a smooth, velvety application that's both long-lasting and easy to blend. When it comes to real-world application, this product is a dream for anyone who's looking for an eyeliner that glides on effortlessly. I found it easy to work with, whether I used it as an eyeliner to define my lash line or as an eyeshadow for a subtle yet striking wash of color. It's got this creamy texture that melts seamlessly onto the skin, which makes it really easy to smudge or layer for intensity, depending on the look you're going for. As for longevity, the Stila Smudge Pot holds up impressively well throughout the day. Whether you're out and about or having a busy workday, the color stays intact without smudging or fading, which is a big plus in my book. Plus, the cranberry shade, it's rich and vibrant, making your eyes pop without being too overpowering. Now let's talk about some of the finer points. One of the biggest pros is the versatility of this product. You can use it as an eyeliner for defined eyes or as an eyeshadow for a softer look. The texture is also a major win. Smooth, easy to blend, and buildable for a custom look. Plus, the gel formula dries down nicely without feeling too sticky or heavy, making it ideal for people who want a long-wear product that doesn't require constant touch-ups. However, the only downside I encountered was that the shade, though beautiful, might not work for everyone's skin tone. For fairer skin, it may come off a little too bold or deep, but it can be layered lightly for a more subtle effect. As far as value for money goes, the Stila Smudge Pot is priced on the higher end, but I believe it's justified given the quality. The product's performance in terms of wear time, versatility, and finish makes it worth considering, especially if you enjoy experimenting with your eye looks and want something that performs well across different applications. It's a great addition to your beauty collection if you're looking for a product that delivers on its promises. Comparing this to other gel eyeliners or eyeshadows on the market, there are certainly cheaper options available, but none quite match the texture and ease of use that Stila offers. Other products may give you a similar finish, but they might lack the blendability or longevity that makes the Smudge Pot such a standout. As for build quality, I was impressed by the packaging. The product comes in a compact jar that's easy to open, and the gel inside maintains its smoothness even after repeated use. You don't have to worry about it drying out quickly, as it's formulated to stay fresh and creamy, which is a big plus for a gel-based product. Now, I haven't had direct experience with Stila's customer service, but based on the brand's reputation, I'd say they are generally responsive and attentive to any concerns or queries you might have. To wrap up, the Stila Smudge Pot in Cranberry is a versatile, high-performing product that lives up to its claims. It's a fantastic option for those looking for a product that can double as an eyeliner and eyeshadow without sacrificing performance. If you're someone who values longevity and ease of use, this is definitely worth considering. The cranberry shade adds a unique twist to the usual eyeshadow palette, making it an exciting addition to any beauty lover's collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.